CFS comments added.
.56, 1024 with that vehicle at the 6.
10-4, 803.
Hey, everyone well?
Adam 31, go ahead.
Human yet?
10-4, 803.
.56, we're still rolling.
10-4 out of 56.
CFS comments added.
TVI.
10-4.
Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Driver, you better put your hands up now! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands now! Step out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle now!
Yeah, go!
Okay, let's go. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Hop out. Hop out. Hop out of the car now. Get out of the car now. Turn around. Give me your hand.
Yes, sir. No problem. What did I do wrong? Oh, sir. What did I do wrong?
Give me your other hand.
Okay, I'm on yes. What did I do wrong? Oh, shit. What did I do wrong?
Hey, help me stand this guy up. You say what?
What did I do wrong?
Oh, you're good.
Stand up. Can you stand up, man? Use your legs.
Man. You hurt me.
Stand up
Well,
on your
stand
feet,
up.
man. Oh, shit, man. Okay, use your legs. Legs don't work. I'm shitting you
Y'all
up.
grab that. I'll grab his leg. Let's go.
What I do wrong? What I do wrong? I'm asking.
You didn't stop.
What?
You didn't stop.
I tried to pull over.
No, you didn't. Appreciate it, man. .56 Little Rock. 10-15 on Dalton.
10-4.
CFS comments added.
Huh?
Block these.
No, I have not. Alright, let's refix his hands.
You gotta stand up, bro. I'm about to pick you up, bro.
Hey, we're gonna help you up, but you gotta stand up.
2, 3, stand up. Come over to this car. Walk over to the front of the car.
Turn your hand this way.
Oh shit, what I do? You smell yourself, man? I'm 6 years old, man. Okay? You're the first 6-year-old I've seen. What I do?
You're all over the road. I got behind you for a while, and you didn't stop. Therefore, you ended up right there.
Okay, I understand that. So,
Blow into this until it beeps. Blow out, blow out. You gotta blow out. Keep going, keep going. Blow out till it beeps. Go, 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 go. No. Just
what?
Continuous blowout. Don't stop till it beeps.
Okay, I understand that.
Okay. Blow, 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 blow.
Oh, shit. What I do?
Okay, do it again.
Take one deep breath and blow hard until you say you stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't try again, okay? Oh, listen to what I'm saying.
I'm gonna show you.
Take a deep breath.
Hold that. I'm gonna show you what I mean. This is what I mean, okay? You see how I didn't stop? That's how I need you to blow, okay?
I understand.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I understand why I got pulled over.
I've explained that. Alright, take a deep breath, blow out, do not stop until it beeps. Blow, 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 blow. Okay. Damn. What's that say?
I don't know.
It says .302.
What that mean?
That means you were way over the legal limit. Alright, come this way. Come on. You gotta walk to the back.
Sir, I can't move. I'm 6 years old.
Okay, I'll put you in the back seat. You can sit down.
I'm 6 years old now.
I hear that. Let's go. car. Come on.
Sit down in the car. I understand that. Go ahead, sit down there.
No resist.
Okay, sit down.
Okay, sir. Please take this on me.
We are taking it very easy on you. Trust me, we are taking it very easy on you. But right now, you just sit down in the car.
I want to sit down. No resist. Yeah. No resist. You know.
Well,
Okay.
bend your knees and sit down then. You steady talking, start sitting.
I can't sit down like this. The police spinner in the front.
No. You need to sit down.
I can't sit down like this. I cannot sit down like this.
You need to sit down.
I'm just trying to tell you, I cannot sit down like this.
Do you have a medical condition?
Yes.
Do you have what, shoulder injuries or what?
I'm a dead stomach.
Turn around. Turn around. You try anything when I take these cuffs off, you're getting tased and you're going right back to the ground. Do you understand me?
I understand.
Turn around this way. Let me see your hand. Let me see that hand. Uncuff your hand. Like come on.
Slide over.
All right, slide all the way in. What?
I can't fit.
Then you need to slide, put your butt all the way by that door.
Disgusting. I can't fit.
Scoot your butt that way. Scoot over. Yes, you can. I've had way bigger people in my car than you.
Go ahead, stop the target.
Huh? Nah. Nah. I gotta call Carrie. Hold on.
Take that phone this time.
Yeah. Hello? Hey, sorry to bother you on your day off. Yeah.
We all make mistakes.
We do.
Well, have you made one?
Not like this, but I have made a mistake. Yeah, of course. I'm a human.
What troop you from?
What?
What troop are you from?
Troop A.
I'm asking what troop.
I'm with Troop A.
Okay. Is that a Little Rock?
Yeah, like Pulaski County.
Okay.
Hold on, give me 1 second. Adam, 56 Little Rock.
I know I'll be able to say.
Item 56, go ahead.
1015, 1025. I'll be 1019 to Spring Hill. 51's gonna wait on that 1011 for me.
10-4, 825.
Go ahead. Right now we're gonna go to the hospital because your alcohol we're going to the hospital.
I understand. What are we going to?
So right now I'm currently driving you to the hospital. That's what we're. Because your alcohol concentration level was 0.30, which is really high. And I just TVI'd your car, so we have to go to the hospital.